Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a review video of the two new eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. So let's go ahead and check one by one. Let's start with this Too Faced Kitty Likes to Scratch eyeshadow palette. It is $32 on the website, but you can also check for the sales because when I got this it was a pretty good sale, so you can also check it out and look for the better value. This is Too Faced, and now I'm gonna show you another eyeshadow palette which is from NARS, and you're definitely gonna love this because the colors are very good, and the price is $32 but it was on sale $22. So the sale is currently going on, so if you're looking forward to buy this is the right chance. So let's open this Too Faced Kitty Likes to Scratch palette and check what is inside. It has pretty good light pink, glittery and dark pink, shocking pink colors. Also it has a black color for the smoky eyes effect, so you're definitely gonna love this. So check it out and go ahead, comment below and let me know if you like this eyeshadow. Now let's check this NARS eyeshadow palette. It is a very cute palette and the shades are also very good that you're gonna like it. So these are the two new eyeshadow palettes in my collection. I hope you like it. Let me know, comment below if you want to see more review videos, and if you want me to review a specific video related to your favorite colors or brands. You can comment below and let me know, so I will do it in my next video. My next video is about Sweet Tart eyeshadow palettes, so stay tuned and keep watching. I will see you in my next video. And if you like watching my videos and you want me to upload more videos like this review, keep watching and subscribe to my channel.